Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python software on your Windows 10 PC. Before you continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So right away, open your favorite browser. In my case, it is Google Chrome. And in your Google search bar, type in Python download. So it is going to bring you the official website of Python, that is www.python.org. I'm going to put the link in the description. So click on this website. It is going to bring you the download panel, and here you see if you have a different operating system you can choose Linux, MacOS or any other operating system. So in our case we are using Windows 10. So let us click on download Python. This is the latest version, and here it is going to download in our internet download manager. So click on download. If you don't have a download manager, it will just download in your browser. So my download has finished. Let us open, and here it is going to bring you this window telling you to install Python 3.12.7. So here don't forget to check these boxes, use admin privileges and add python.exe to the path. And here we are going to choose this option, which is customize installation. And here it is going to bring you this window. You can leave all these boxes checked, they are very important. So you click on next, and here it is going to bring to show you these different options. You can also leave them as they are. This one is the installation folder. If you don't have any reason to change this installation folder, you can leave it as it is and click on install. So it is going to prompt you whether you want to install or not, and we are accepting. So it will install, and in a few minutes we are going to be done. After a few seconds. It's almost done. Yeah, and here it is showing us setup was successful. So in this way we have managed to download and install Python on our Windows 10 PC. So you can click on close, and when you come here and type in your CMD, that is the command prompt, and you type in Python, here it is going to show you the version of Python you have on your PC. In this case we are having Python 3.12.7, the one we have just installed. So it means we have successfully managed to install Python on our PC. So if you feel this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.